Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Union Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.unionbank.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Union Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the sign on button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign on button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, click on the Enroll Now option. After you click on the Enroll Now option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page you'll have 5 options. Click on the option that you require. Once you click on the option that you will require, a form will appear on your screen. On that form, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your debit card number here, your debit card PIN here, your zip code here, and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to enroll into the Union Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the Union Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.